Geography. Continent. Large landmass on Earth, such as Asia and Africa.
Asia is the largest continent in the world.
Country. Country. An area of land controlled by one government.
France is a beautiful country in Europe.
Capital. Capital. The city where a country's government is located.
Tehran is the capital of Iran.
Border. Border. The line between two countries or regions. There is a border between the United States and Mexico. Island. Island. A piece of land surrounded by water.
Hawaii is a famous island in the Pacific Ocean.
Mountain. A very high hill.
Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world.
Valley. Valley. Low land between mountains.
There is a beautiful valley near the Alps.
River. River. A large, flowing body of water.
The Nile River flows through Egypt.
Lake. Lake. A body of water surrounded by land.
Lake Victoria is in Africa.
Ocean. Ocean. One of the 5 largest bodies of salt water.
The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean.
Desert. Desert. A dry, sandy area with little rain.
The Sahara is the largest desert in the world. Forest. Forest. A large area covered with trees. The Amazon is the largest rainforest.
Plain. Plain. Flat, wide land with few trees.
The Great Plains are in North America.
Cave. Cave. A hollow space in a mountain or underground.
We visited a cave with ancient paintings.
Globe. Globe. A round model of Earth.
The teacher showed the globe in class.
Natural resources. Natural resources. Things from nature like water, oil, and forests.
Countries protect their natural resources.
Glacier. Glacier. A large, slow-moving mass of ice.
Glaciers are melting due to climate change.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, share it with your friends, and don't forget to like and subscribe.